Magical Fun World. Today I'm at Universal Studios at Islands of Adventure. Today I'm gonna ride some fun rides and eat some good food. Come join me in my magical fun adventure. Let's go. Headed to the Spider-Man ride. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah!
Nearly a month ago. Scream, an alien creature whose powerful mane of hair can tear your skin. The wild card in this equation is the wall crawler himself, Spider-Man. While most consider him a hero.
Nice shades. That's Spider-Man. That's no good. And red leotard. Way to hide.
Spider-Man ride.
It was very awesome.
Very awesome.
And one in the future, last time they removed the fire, now they added back.
Okay. Yeah, I always like that Spider-Man ride. It's one of my favorites at Universal. And they got some cool shirts over here. We'll pick up a few of these as soon as you get up the Spider-Man ride. I'm about to go on this Skull Island, Reign of King Kong. I always like this ride, so I'm ready to do this right now. So let's go.
Okay, we're on our way.
Ready to go on the ride?
Yeah. Let's go. Woohoo!
Young women like myself would be sad. Now would be a good time to put on your goggles and stay alert. Vortexes! Take cover! Jump!
Just got out that King Kong ride. That's always fun. About to go on this Hagrid ride now. I was trying to stall, but I guess I gotta face it again. It's my second time riding this ride, so about to ride it again. Here I go.
For everyone's safety, loose articles are not permitted on the motorbikes. This would include bags, backpacks, purses, wands,
After I ride the Hagrid, I want to compare the Hagrid with the Velocicoaster. So we're going to see which one is the best. So I'm about to ride the Hagrids again. Last time I rode it at night. Let's see the difference in the daytime and the nighttime. Now I can see where I'm going.
I would advise against that if you want to keep your remaining limbs.
No turning back now.
I know.
He knows.
Don't mind the Thestrals. Dead clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the Scroots before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Oh, no, there's no need for that. Well, I think that's enough for today. You should probably head back. We'll pick this up later. The bikes will take it. Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on! Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, Oh, no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in Devil's Snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Woo, that was close. Now we just need to... Oh, you found my missing Scroots. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, Scroots, and unicorns.
How was that riding Hagrid's ride in the daytime, son?
Mind-blowing.
Mind-blowing?
Hmm?
Was you scared?
No, I was happy.
Yeah, me too. I was happy. Want to ride the Hagrid's ride again? Love this ride. Got to ride it at night last time, so I'm about to ride it during the day again.
I'm going on too, and I'm be smiling like this.
Yeah, until the ride starts. Then you're going to be screaming like this.
Ah, I wouldn't do that.
Here we go.
We're experiencing a slight delay in today's lesson.
Was a slight
Our
delay.
apologies. We should be ready
They
to
give
go
me a
shortly.
chance to catch my breath
Thank
on the
you for your
last ride.
patience.
You ready to go on the flight of the Hippogriff?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. want to give a shout out to Danny from Two Real Geeks. They gave us a shout out on their YouTube page today. So support Two Real Geeks YouTube page. I appreciate your support and giving us a shout out. And we definitely subscribe to your page. And we wish you much success. So thank you for your support, Danny. But that's it for Magical Fun World. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you can tune in to my magical fun adventure. See you.